Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to yet another video. Today we're gonna do some bohemian knotless or boho knotless, and you see I have my 12-inch coil curly human hair that I'll be using, of course. And we have some expression braids. We have the natural black, and it's 52 inches. My client, this is her natural hair. Some of it is kind of like highlighted bleach. This is a yeah, it's blown out. And yeah, so come with me, stay with me, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet to join the Styles by Sandy family. You know I bring a lot of informative videos. If you want, you can check out my channel. If you haven't done that as yet, I have tons of videos there. You can check it out, share my page, subscribe. Leave your comment, of course. I would love to hear from you. Where you from? I'm in Toronto, Canada. And let me know where you're from, where you're watching from. I would love to know that as well. So yeah, let's talk. Let's stay connected, share my videos, subscribe, and yeah, so the knotless braids. The knotless, we know it's a versatile style. Everyone, it's popular, it grows your hair. It grows your hair. So most of my clients, this is what they do. You know, if you want to like a really, well, it's not quick. I was gonna say quick, but it's not quick. Depends on the size that you're doing and the length. It's not that quick, so hence the reason why it's on the pricey side. But trust me, it grows your hair. It's tension free, it's lightweight, it lasts long. And yeah, so just stick around, and I'll be doing the bohemian knotless. I think I said that before, and I'll be using my 12-inch curly human hair to add to it. I'm not gonna put any human hair at the very back of her hair. I am not gonna do it at the very back. I'm just gonna do it like from the second or the third row, and just let it flow, and just let the top bits flow, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So yes, keep watching and wait for the end results. You will see the process, how I did it, and you know. So yes, I've already added a couple of the human hair extensions, and client wants them a bit full and flowy. So that's the look we're going to achieve. That's what we're going to be achieving. And these are my Styles by Sandy precision parting comb. You can purchase one from me. And I'm still working on my website. I am working on website, and so that purchasing and what's not would be super easy for you. Or you could go and purchase something from my YouTube store. Yes, my YouTube store. It's you can just purchase something from me, and yeah. We're gonna hide those blonde highlighted bits. We're gonna hide them. We're gonna tuck them away. We don't want them to be poking out from the braids. We're gonna hide them up as much as possible. Okay. So we're almost finished. This is how the 12 inch, they're 12 inches. I guess you can't really see the length because it's curly. So once you straighten it out and once not, then you will get the full length, the 12 inches. So this is the finished look. I am finished. It took me like 7 hours to do this, complete this whole style. And yeah, and then I went on and I curled the ends. And yeah, I used my mousse, my hairspray, my contour hairspray, and yeah. So I catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching.